We started our day heading to Shinjuku Station to catch our Fuji Excursion train. It was still early, but we were super excited and ready to escape the city for the day. Once we got on the train and settled into our seats, we couldn't wait any longer and started digging into our bento boxes. The bento box smelled amazing, and I got this one that had a perfectly grilled mackerel inside, and it did not disappoint. Lightly seasoned but full of flavor, and the fried tempura was crispy and delicate. I also grabbed a blueberry yogurt drink alongside my bento box for the train ride, and honestly, everything was so good. After the breathtaking views from up top, we made our way back down to explore the area. Along the way, we couldn't resist stopping to try some of the famous Fujiyama cookies. The cookies were all shaped like Mount Fuji and individually packaged, which was super cute. As we headed back towards the lake, the weather started to get a bit chilly, so we popped by a vending machine for a hot milk tea to enjoy with our cookies. After a peaceful boat ride, we made our way to the famous Lawson in the area. There was no clear view of Fujisan, so we decided to head inside and grab something to eat and to enjoy the vibes. We then headed to the gift shop by the bus loop and checked out some treats that they had to offer and picked up some souvenirs before heading back to Tokyo.